Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you enjoy weekends?
Do you know how to talk about your weekend activities in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about weekend activities.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your weekend?
It was great. How about yours?
Mine was very relaxing.
Really? What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I cleaned my apartment.
That sounds productive.
Then I went grocery shopping.
Did you buy a lot of food?
Yes, I did.
What did you buy?
I bought vegetables, fruit, bread, and coffee.
I love coffee.
Me too.
What did you do in the afternoon?
I met my friend for lunch.
Where did you go?
We went to a small Italian restaurant.
That sounds delicious.
It was.
Did you do anything else?
Yes, I watched a movie in the evening.
What movie did you watch?
A comedy movie.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much.
My weekend was very busy.
Really?
Yes.
What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I went jogging.
That's healthy.
I try to exercise every weekend.
How long did you jog?
About 1 hour.
That's impressive.
After that, I visited my parents.
That's nice.
We had lunch together.
What did you eat?
We had fried rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
It was.
What did you do in the evening?
I stayed home and played video games.
Did you win?
Not really.
That's okay.
I still had fun.
That's what matters. What did you do on Sunday?
I woke up late.
Really?
Yes.
I was very tired.
I understand.
After breakfast, I went to the park.
What did you do there?
I walked around and took some photos.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, it's one of my hobbies.
That's wonderful. What about you?
I stayed home and read a book.
What kind of book?
A travel book.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
Did you go out later?
Yes, I had dinner with my family.
That sounds lovely.
It was a perfect weekend.
I agree. Weekends are important for relaxing.
Do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet.
Really?
Yes.
I'm still thinking about it.
What would you like to do?
Maybe I'll go hiking.
That sounds fun.
Have you ever been hiking?
Yes.
Several times.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much.
Where did you go?
I went to the mountains with my friends.
That sounds amazing.
It was.
Would you like to go hiking next weekend?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great.
What else do you want to do?
Maybe watch a movie.
At home or at the cinema?
At the cinema.
Good idea.
I haven't been to the cinema in a long time.
Then we should definitely go.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I enjoy spending time with my family.
That's nice.
I also enjoy reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
Travel books and novels.
Interesting.
What about you?
I enjoy playing sports.
Which sports?
Basketball and badminton.
Do you play every weekend?
Not every weekend, but often.
That's good exercise.
I also enjoy listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop music and soft rock.
Nice.
Sometimes I just stay home and relax.
That's important too.
Yes, everyone needs time to rest.
I completely agree. What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Go hiking.
Excellent.
Go shopping.
Very good.
Watch a movie.
Perfect.
Spend time with family.
Great.
Play sports.
Wonderful.
Read a book.
Excellent.
Relax at home.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about my weekends now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for talking about weekend activities and future plans.
You learned how to describe your hobbies, activities, and favorite ways to relax.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and happy English learning!